I'm in a 2016 Dodge Durango, and today I'm going to show you how to fold down your seats. So for this mid-row section here, you've got this lever here you can pull, and that'll fold it down. And then to push it back up, you just push it back up and it should clip back into place, nice and sturdy. For your third row seats, to unfold them, you just have to pull this. It should snap into place here. And to fold it down, you'll just pull this lever and push. Fold it back down. Same for both sides. And then for your front seats, we'll go up here. And it's just all electronically controlled. So this will make it all slide forward, slide back. And this will make it fold forward and fold back. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.